Hi, welcome to my channel. Today my lesson is on supposed to. I අපි supposed to කියන එක use කරන්නේ. ඒ වගේම කොතනටද අපි English වලදී supposed to කියන එක use කරන්නේ. Even have been requested to do a lesson on this supposed to, right? අපි supposed to කියන එක ගැන lesson එකක් කරන්න කියලා request කරලා තිබ්බා. And I think that it's crucial when it comes to this casual conversation. අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි casually කතා කරනකොට අපිට use කරන්න ඕනම වෙන දෙයක් තමයි මේ supposed to කියන එක. Right? Supposed to කියන එක අපි එක එක වෙලාවට එක එක meanings දෙන්න අපි use කරනවා. And at the same time it adds more color to your conversation. සාමාන්‍ය supposed to කියන එක use කරාම ඕගොල්ලෝගේ conversation එක තව ටිකක් smart looking වෙන්න පුළුවන්. So anyway, let's move to the lesson and see how to use this supposed to. අපි supposed to කියන එක use කරනවා මං කිව්වා වගේ එක එක situations වලට, right? The first thing is we use supposed to say that something is required to be done, right? If you want to say that something is required, then you have to use this supposed to, right? In the sense of required, right? ඒ කියන්නේ මොන හරි දෙයක් කරන්න තියෙනවා නම්, right? මොන හරි දෙයක් කරන්න තියෙනවා කියන එක කියන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ supposed to කියන එක use කරනවා. And the other thing is to say that something is expected or something was expected, right? If you want to tell that something was expected, then again you have to use this supposed to. ඒ කියන්නේ මොන හරි දෙයක් ඔයා බලාපොරොත්තු වුණා නම් ඒක කියන්න තෝ මේ supposed to කියන එක use කරනවා, right? And the other thing is in the sense of given permission, right? When you talk about permission, again you have to use this supposed to. සාමාන්‍ය permissions ගැන කතා කරද්දී අපි supposed to කියන එක use කරනවා. And there's another thing, that is when you say that you believe something to be true, right? Or if you want to tell that you assume, or if you want to tell that you simply think, right? ඔයා මොන හරි දෙයක් හිතනවා කියලා කියන්න ඕන නම් සරලවම, right? මොන හරි දෙයක් හිතනවා නැත්නම් මොන හරි දෙයක් අපි හරියටම කිව්වොත් උපකල්පනය කරනවා කියලා කියන්න ඕනේ නම් ඒ වෙලාවටත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ use කරන්නේ මේ suppose කියන word එක, right? So anyway, let's go through them one by one, right? So let's get the first example, right? I have to be at the ground by noon. I have to be at the ground by noon. මේකෙන් කියන්නේ මම ground එකේ දවල් 12 වෙද්දි ඉන්න ඕනේ, right? I have to be at the ground by noon, right? So this have to can be replaced by supposed to, right? If you want, you can say I am supposed to be at the ground by noon, right? You can use am supposed to instead of have to, right? Have to means required, so the same sense given out by saying am supposed to. Usually we say I am supposed to, she is supposed to, they are supposed to, right? We have to use am is a here with supposed to, right? එතකොට මොන හරි දෙයක් කරන්න තියෙන දෙයක් ඔයා කියන්නේ ඒ විදිහටයි. I am supposed to be at the ground by noon. ඒ කියන්නේ අර have to use කරා වගේම අපි ඒ විදිහටම කියනවා I am supposed to be at the ground by noon කියන්නේ මම ground එකේ දවල් වෙද්දී ඉන්න ඕනේ කියන එක. Right? Now let's move the next one, right? In the sense of was expected to, right? If you want to tell that something was expected to happen, then again you can use this supposed to, right? For example, we can say he was supposed to be here. He was supposed to be here. එකෙන් කියන්නේ එයා අද මෙතන ඉන්න තිබුණා. He was supposed to be here. Here we are connecting the past, right? Here we are talking connecting to the past, right? Our statement have a connection to the past because we are using here was, right? ඉන්න තිබුණා කියන අදහස තමයි මෙතනින් දෙන්නේ. He was supposed to be here. මොන හරි දෙයක් කරන්න තියෙනවා නම් තමයි අපි am supposed to, is supposed to and are supposed to කියන එක use කරන්නේ. Right? ඒ වගේ මොන හරි දෙයක් ඔයා බලාපොරොත්තු වුණා නම් එතනදී ඔයා use කරන්නේ was supposed to. එහෙම නැත්නම් were supposed to in plural form, right? were supposed to එහෙම නැත්නම් were supposed to කියන එක තමයි අපි use කරන්නේ අපි දෙයක් මොන හරි expect කරා නම්. Right? And another example we can say it was supposed to rain today. ඔයාට කියන්න ඕන නම් අද වහින්න තිබුණා. So you can say it was supposed to rain today. It was supposed to rain today. Right? That's how you're gonna say it was expected to rain today. Right? It was supposed to rain today. Right? That's another way you can use this supposed to. And let's move on to the third one. Third way actually, right? ඊළඟ විදිහ තමයි when you talk about this permission. If you want to tell that something was allowed or something was not allowed, you can use this supposed to. Right? ඔයාට කාට හරි කියන්න ඕන නම් මොන හරි දෙයක් allow කරනවා එහෙම නැත්නම් මොන හරි දෙයක් allow නැහැ කියන එක ඔයාට supposed to කියන එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Let's get an example. We can say, you are not supposed to talk loudly in the library. You are not supposed to talk loudly in the library. You are not supposed to talk loudly in the library. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාට library එක ඇතුලේ හයියෙන් කතා කරන්න බෑ. You are not supposed to. Here, you talk about that not allowing to talk loudly in the library. Okay, simply you are talking about a permission, right? So for these kinds of instances you can use supposed to, right? You are not supposed to talk loudly in the library, which means you are not allowed to talk loudly in the library, right? That's another way. Okay, and the fourth one, right? ඊළඟ විදිහ තමයි, as I mentioned earlier, when you want to tell that you believe something to be true, right? Or simply if you assume something, right? If you want to tell that assume something, right? Then you can use this word suppose, just the word suppose. Remember that, right? As the same way you tell I think, right? You say I think, or you say I feel, or you can say I assume. And in the same way, you can say, I suppose, right? The thing is, here we're never gonna use this am, is, are, right? We don't need to use this am, is, are, or we never use this am, is, are, right? අපි am, is, are use කරන්නේ නැහැ, right? Am, is, are කියන එක use කරන්නේ නැහැ. We simply tell, I suppose. That's how we have to tell that. I suppose, right? If you get an example, we can say, I suppose it depends on the doctor. I suppose it depends on the doctor. ඒ කියන්නේ මම හිතනවා ඒක ડોක්ටර් මත තමයි රඳාපවතින්නේ කියන එක. I suppose it depends on the doctor. Right? That means you think that it depends on the doctor. And let's get another example. We can say, she is not here yet. I suppose her bus was delayed. She is not here yet. I suppose her bus was delayed. Right? එතනදි කියන්නේ ඇය තාම මෙතන නැහැ. මං හිතනවා එයාගේ බස් එක පරක්කු වෙන්න ඇති කියලා. Right? Casually ඔයාට කියන්න නම් එයාගේ බස් එක පරක්කු වෙලා ඇති. You can say I suppose her bus was delayed. I suppose. This is the way you have to use this casually. Right? ඒක නිසා හැමදෙස්සම try කරන්න ඕනේ මේ suppose කියන එක හරියම casually use කරන්න. Right? So anyway, those are the instances, as I said earlier, those are the instances where you're going to use this supposed to, or where you're going to get the use of this supposed to. But other than that, there are two instances you can get the help of this supposed to, right? The supposed to කියන එක use කරගන්න පුළුවන් තවත් instances දෙකක් තියෙනවා, right? එකක් තමයි ඔයාට කියන්න එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාට replace කරන්න ඕන නම් what if කියන phrase එක, right? What if කියන එක වෙනුවට ඔයාට මේ suppose කියන එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්, right? අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි කිව්වොත් what if she broke the glass? what if she broke the glass? එකෙන් කියන්නේ එයා ඒ වීදුරුව කැඩුවා නම් මොන හරි දෙයක් වුණා නම් කියන අදහස දෙන්න. What if she broke the glass? Right? So the same meaning comes out when you say, suppose she broke the glass. Suppose she broke the glass. Suppose. Likewise, this what if can be replaced by suppose. Just the word suppose. Right? එතනත් අපි suppose කියන එක විතරයි use කරන්නේ. Suppose she broke the glass. That's how you have to use it. Right? Suppose I really miss the flight. What will I do then? Right? That's how you're going to use this phrase. Okay? Suppose I really missed the flight. Suppose I really missed the flight. Suppose I really missed the flight. Suppose කියන එක use කරනවා අපි what if මොන හරි දෙයක් වුණා නම් කියන අදහස දෙන්න. වුණා නම් මොකද කරන්නේ කියන අදහස දෙන්න. Suppose කියන word එක අපිට use කරන්න පුළුවන්. And the final thing is when you want to tell what the personality of a thing or a person more likely to be, right? If you want to tell about a personality of something or a person, then you can use this suppose to, right? Or as if you want to talk about a manner of a person or a thing, right? Or the behavior of a person, then again you can use this suppose to, right? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ suppose to කියන එක use කරන්න පුළුවන් තැනක් තමයි තව ඔයගොල්ලෝ මොන හරි කෙනෙක්ගේ personality එකක්, right? එහෙම නැත්නම් මොන හරි දෙයක විදිහක් ගැන විස්තර කරන්න. general විදිහක් ගැන විස්තර කරන්නත් මේ suppose to කියන එක use කරන්න පුළුවන් සරලවම කිව්වොත්, right? For example, we can say generally dogs are supposed to be loyal. Generally dogs are supposed to be loyal. Dogs are supposed to be loyal, right? We know that the dogs are loyal to their owners, right? They are anyway loyal to their owners, right? So this can be said as generally dogs are supposed to be loyal, right? එතනදී ඔයා කියනවා ඒ dogs වගේ general විදිහ ගැන, right? You are generally talking about their behavior or their character, right? So I suppose that I covered all the basics related to this suppose to. So from now on, when you are chatting with someone, try to get the maximum use of this supposed to, or try using this supposed to and let them feel that you are so natural and practical in your conversation. So anyway, I hope this lesson was kind of useful for you, and if you feel so, just subscribe our channel to view more videos of us, and don't forget to put a thumbs up if you really like this video. And the other thing is, don't forget to leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. So see you again with another exciting lesson like this in the next day. Have a great day. Bye bye.